Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Pockets option with Coinbase. So first of all, you'd like to make sure that you have both Coinbase and Pockets option accounts, and make sure that you are verified in Coinbase. If you didn't verify your identity with the documents from the government, you'll not be able to send any crypto or deposit any money using Coinbase. So once you have both accounts, you'd like to click on your profile at the top right corner, as you can see right here. Once you click on it, you'd like to go and click on deposits. Once you do so, this will take you in here. So here you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Of course, there are a lot of options to deposit. You can even deposit using your Visa or MasterCard, Binance Pay, Skrill, a lot of options. But if you are trying to deposit with your Coinbase, probably is going to be crypto. So you can just go and search for the crypto that you want. The known option is USDT. But you'll have to choose which network you're trying to send this USDT on. So there are a lot of networks. You might get confused at first if you are not familiar with it. Just go and type it again. So as you can see, there's the TRC20, BIP20, Polygon, a lot of other options right here. So in order to choose which one, you can choose it depending on the fees and how many time or how much time, as example, will it take to be sent from Coinbase to like the Pockets option, and of course what is the minimum that you can deposit. So in using the TRC20, the minimum should be $30. BIP20 is just 10, and as you can see, most of them are 10. This is 20. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see it's better. So, for example, this is 10, 10, 20, 10, 5, 10, as you can see. So you have here everything in front of you. So choose the one that suits you, and of course you would like to see if the same network exists here in Coinbase. In Coinbase, at the top right corner, you should find here as an example, send crypto. For me, I still haven't verified my identity, so I'll have to do it first. But basically, if you verify it, you'll choose which USD or which currency you want to choose or you want to send. The same is going to be USDT, and you'll have to choose which network you want to send on. Of course, it should be the same network that you will choose here. The known network that most people use will be TRC20, BIP20. Some people send in Polygon, but it has a little bit more fees than BIP20 and TRC20. So most people use one of these options right here. So, for example, this one instantly, and this one take from 3 to 5 minutes. As example, let's say you choose this one. This one definitely exists in the Coinbase as well. So all you need to do, just go here and choose the amount that you want to send. As we said, the minimum should be 30. So you can choose whatever you want. For example, let's just say I want $200. If you have any promo code, make sure to include it. Now you can go and click on continue and pay. Do not worry, even if you find continue and pay, they will give you the address. So for example, here you will see, like, to complete the payment, please transfer 200 USDT to the following address. So all you need to do, just go and click on copy, and you'll go back to Coinbase. You'll have to choose, of course, 200 USDT, the same amount. It should not be less or more, 1 or 2 or whatever. So make sure to choose the exact one. You can even copy it as well if it's a big amount. Then you'll have to copy the address, go there, and you will have to paste the address. And of course, you'll have to choose the TRC network 20. Once you do so, if there are any fees, you will see how much. Probably it's going to be $1 for USDT, 1 USDT. So it's $1. It's not that big. And it should be sent like directly. You can just come here to Coinbase, send it, and click on confirm. Then you'll be able, of course, to confirm the transfer. Then you'll be able to come here. So once it's done, they will take you from the payments process to payments execution. And keep in mind, as we said, if you didn't choose the TRC20 network or the Tyro network, as it's called, it's the same, just this is the full name, your funds will be like lost forever. You will not be able to get it back or refund or something like that. So make sure to choose the exact like network, which is TRC20 or any other network that you choose. Once you send it, this page will change and you will be taken to payments execution. You can confirm here, and you can always go back, as an example, right here, and you'll find at the top right corner your new balance. It should not be 0, it should be 200 or whatever you sent from Coinbase to Pockets option, and you should be good to go. Of course, just something that you might want to keep in mind, because Coinbase may block some transactions to certain brokers depending on regulations. So if your transfer is declined, If it declined, your funds will not be lost. You might just want to use another wallet like Trust Wallet or maybe Binance as a middle step instead. And make sure to always try to send a small test amount first before sending big money if you're planning to send a lot of big money in it, especially if it's your first time. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.